Good afternoon. We'll now start. First of all, I'd like to welcome everybody to this pep talk this afternoon. Please mute yourself, but always show your video picture. Sign in your name, your Facebook account, or email address in the chat box. Please include the names of companions attending with you. Use the chat box to ask questions and make comments while the pep talk is on. There will be group pictures at the start and end of the pep talk, so please show your faces in the video. A reminder after the pep talk is to take the online learning comp evaluation test exercise for mastery of learning and have a perfect score to get a certificate like the one shown here. I placed the link in the chat box. Another reminder, obtaining 25 OLETE certificates will entitle one mentee to a free voucher for a RO Hoson medical consultation, either face-to-face or telemedical. Another request, please type in your feedback in the chat box during the open forum and before we adjourn. Thank you. Let's now have a group picture taking before we start the pep talk proper in 2 minutes. Please turn on your video now. Show your faces. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I have a patient empowerment program in which I like to empower the lay people or patients to take control in the management of their health. I started the pep talk on May 15, 2021 during the COVID-19 pandemic. There are 3 courses in the pep talk. I completed the core course on October 9, 2021. And then from October 23, 2021 onwards, I've been tackling health disorder and health issue courses. May 17, 2025 marks the start of year number 5 for the RO Hoson pep talk. How long the pep talk will last will depend on the enthusiasm, discipline, and perseverance of everybody, you and me. My pep talk today is entitled RO Hoson Cancer Crusaders and Club, Who, What, How, and How. The empowerment objective is for the lay people to have essential understanding on RO Hoson Cancer Crusaders Club and Cancer Crusaders and Club, who, what, and how as part of their health management. The contents of this pep talk will be the following. What and who are Cancer Crusaders? Who are RO Hoson Cancer Crusaders? What is the RO Hoson Cancer Crusaders Club? Why did RO Hoson form the RO Hoson Cancer Crusaders Club? Who may join the RO Hoson Cancer Crusaders Club? And who are considered RO Hoson Cancer Crusaders? What are the activities of the RO Hoson Cancer Crusaders Club? How can one participate in the activities of the RO Hoson Cancer Crusaders Club? And what is the history of RO Hoson Cancer Crusaders Club? Disclaimer, this pep talk will contain my thoughts, perceptions, opinions, recommendations, or TPORs, culled from the personal experiences as well as the writings of other professionals. Who and what are Cancer Crusaders? So who, what, and who are the Cancer Crusaders? Cancer Crusaders are people, mainly cancer patients, but they may include non-cancer patients who have pledged to fight against cancer in every way possible in terms of a personal cancer journey, helping other cancer patients, advocacy, research, etc. And who are RO Hoson Cancer Crusaders? RO Hoson Cancer Crusaders are patients of Dr. Reynaldo O. Hoson, at present or who have been patients of Dr. Hoson at one time or another, who are interested and willing to be guided and assisted by R.O. Hoson in their cancer journey. They are also members of the R.O. Hoson Cancer Crusaders Club, established by R.O. Hoson in 1988, with the primary goal of providing psychosocial support and therapy to cancer patients. And it is a club formed by R.O. Hoson in 1988, whose primary goal is to provide psychosocial support and therapy to his cancer patients. And why did R.O. Hoson form the R.O. Hoson Cancer Crusaders Club? So in 1988, I formed the Cancer Crusaders Club. The foremost reason was that I saw the need for such a club. I needed such a club to help me in the comprehensive, holistic management of my cancer patients. As we all know, treatment of cancer consists of two inseparable parts, and these are the treatment of the cancer itself and the management of the person who has been afflicted with the cancer. The surgery, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and other standard types of cancer treatment that I have been administering to my cancer patient constitute only one part of the treatment. So to be holistic, I still need the other parts of the treatment, which is as important as the first part. Through the Cancer Crusaders Club, I intend to administer psychosocial therapy on my cancer patients, which is the second part of the treatment. Who may join the R.O. Hoson Cancer Crusaders Club and who are considered R.O. Hoson Cancer Crusaders? All cancer patients of R.O. Hoson are automatically considered members of R.O. Hoson Cancer Crusaders Club. There are no other requirements. And these are cancer patients who have been managed by R.O. Hoson at one time or another, and in any extent, either just through diagnosis, who have been operated on. Not operated on are included also cancer patients who underwent medical treatment and no other treatment, no surgery, etc. Basta nagpa-consult sa cancer patients who consulted me and then who expressed willingness to be assisted by me, they're automatically considered as R.O. Hoson Cancer Crusaders. What are the activities of the R.O. Hoson Cancer Crusaders Club and how can one participate in these activities? Every first Sunday of December, there is the R.O. Hoson Cancer Crusaders annual Christmas get-together, whose main goal is to provide psychosocial support and therapy to all R.O. Hoson Cancer Crusaders. And starting 2000, the Christmas get-together have been held online through Zoom. The main psychological support activities of the R.O. Hoson Cancer Crusaders Club annual Christmas get-together starting 2000 consists of the following. Cancer journey sharing in the different phases of cancer journey, inspirational and motivating songs, and then R.O. Hoson's advice on how to deal with cancer. So this consists of a short lecturette by R.O. Hoson. And there are also usually the Cancer Crusaders Club awards, raffles, and giveaways for attendees, namely Cancer Journey Sharing Awards, Best TikTok on Providing Psychosocial Support for a Cancer Crusader, Cash Ayuda for Cancer Patients, R.O. Hoson Medical Consultation Vouchers, Jubilarian Awards, let's say on the 5-year, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 40 years, etc. Then we also have awards for the oldest cancer crusader, youngest cancer crusader, longest cancer survivor, and the most recent cancer survivor who attends the Zoom online. So one can participate in all these activities that I just mentioned. Now, what is the history? So there's a link here, which I will not, I will try to show you the main video without using the YouTube. So this will just take about 11 minutes. Cancer Crusaders Club. History and objective of Cancer Crusader Club and psychosocial support advice to Cancer Crusaders. The Cancer Crusaders Club was established in 1988. Here is the picture of the first annual Christmas get-together of the Cancer Crusaders Club in December 4, 1988. The original name was Cancer Crusaders Club. In 2001, it was renamed MDH or Manila Doctors Hospital Cancer Crusaders Club. In 2020, it was renamed R.O. Hoson Cancer Crusaders Club or just Cancer Crusaders Club. The founder of the Cancer Crusaders Club is Dr. Reynaldo O. Hoson. From 2001 to 2019, Dr. Elsie Dancel was coordinating the MDH Cancer Crusaders Club with Miss Beth Tumambing. Group picture of the annual meet in December 3, 1989. Cancer Crusaders are people who pledge to fight against cancer and to help other people fight against cancer. Here is a sample of a certificate of membership issued to members of the Cancer Crusaders Club. Here is a sample of a framed certificate of membership issued to Miss Conchita Surya in 1988. She treasured it. Group picture of the third annual meet in December 1990. Acceptance of cancer among members is being promoted by using the word cancer in the name of the club or Cancer Crusaders Club. Pete Cantara, a colon cancer patient, wearing a Cancer Crusader t-shirt. Group picture of the annual meet in December 1, 1991. The primary objective of the Cancer Crusaders Club meetings is psychosocial support and therapy. The other objectives of the Cancer Crusaders Club meetings are education, socials, and Christmas party. Group picture of the annual meet in December 6, 1992. The annual year-end meetings of the Cancer Crusaders Club are traditionally being held on the first Sundays of December. Shown here are the banners of the 6th and 9th annual meets on the first Sunday of December of each corresponding year. 15th annual meet on the first Sunday of December of 2002, December 1. 24th annual meet on the first Sunday of December of 2011, December 4. 31st annual meet on the first Sunday of December of 2018, December 2. The historic first virtual meet of the Cancer Crusaders Club annual Christmas get-together was held in 2020, December 6. Here is the poster of the 33rd annual Christmas get-together virtual meet of the Cancer Crusaders Club on December 6, 2020. The first virtual meet, first in history, the new normal. At the end of the annual year-end meeting of the Cancer Crusaders Club, the following benefits are expected. A day of sharing experiences, a day of helping each other, a day that the cancer patients realize that they are not alone who are afflicted with cancer, a reunion for those who were present during the previous years, a booster of morale and hope for the cancer patients to live on. Sample pictures of cancer crusaders sharing their cancer journey starting 1988 to present. Other pictures of cancer journey sharing. Other pictures. Other pictures. Still other pictures of cancer journey sharing. Sample pictures of sharer of cancer journey during the virtual meet in 2020, in 2021, in 2022, in 2023, in 2024. Here are some psychosocial support advice to cancer crusaders. Statements on cancer that have to be acknowledged. Cancer can affect anybody. Cancer can affect any organ in the body. Complete remission means no signs of cancer recurring after treatment. Best chance for complete remission is early consult, early diagnosis, and early and correct treatment. Group picture of the 13th annual meet. Psychological distresses or emotional sufferings can be seen in the following phases of the cancer journey. Phase of diagnosis, phase of treatment, during, right, and or soon after treatment, phase after treatment or in remission, phase when there is a recurrence of the cancer, phase during near end of life. Group picture of an annual meet. Psychosocial therapy and support of a patient with cancer should go hand in hand or simultaneously with the treatment of the cancer itself. Group picture of an annual meet. The psychological distresses of cancer patients usually consist of the following: fear, sadness, personal apprehensions, psychosocial apprehensions. Group picture of an annual meet. The following are key coping tactics against the psychological distresses of cancer patients: acceptance of the cancer, intentional living plan in the light of cancer, trust in a competent and compassionate physician, spiritual trust, support from loved ones and significant others, cancer journey stories sharing. Group picture of an annual meet. Having a well-formulated intentional living plan in the light of cancer can contribute to the following: being healthy as long as possible, being productive, having peace of mind, being contented, enjoying life, being happy in life, reaching the realistic longevity targets, being ready to face curtain call or death. Group picture of an annual meet. Feedback of cancer crusaders attending the annual meet. It made me feel stronger in living through life with a cancer. It boosted my morale. It boosted my hope for living. It changed my outlook in life for the better. It made me feel like an ex-cancer patient already. It helped me accept my cancer. It made me realize that I'm not the only person on earth with a cancer. It gave me an opportunity to share experience with and to listen to experience of other cancer patients. It made me learn more about cancer in general, the cancer that we have, and about patients with cancer. It made me feel that the get-together was a reunion for cancer patients. It made me feel that the gathering was a form of therapy for me. The gathering provided psychosocial support for me, my co-cancer patients, and our relatives. My loved ones and friends who attended with me learned a lot about cancer patients and their cancer journeys. It made me wanting to share my cancer journey freely to anybody. It made me look forward to attending the next get together of the Cancer Crusaders Club. Here is a sample of a roster of registrants who attended the December 2020 virtual meet. In the December 2021 virtual meet, in the December 2022 virtual meet, in the December 2023 virtual meet, in the December 2024 virtual meet. More group pictures of annual meetings in the past years. Another picture. Another picture. More group pictures of annual meetings in the past years. Again, Cancer Crusaders Club providing psychosocial support and therapy to cancer patients. Oh, summary and takeaway. I have discussed the following, which I will not repeat anymore. Takeaway in relation to patient empowerment, be always in touch with reliable medical information on RO Hoson Cancer Crusaders, who, what, and how. Knowledge is power. It gives power. Use the 4Ks of patient empowerment, kaalaman, kakayanan, karapatan, and kapangyarihan to gain greater control over decisions on determining on how to join and participate in the activities of the RO Hoson Cancer Crusaders Club. So with that, I end my pep talk today. I hope I have empowered you to have an essential understanding on RO Hoson Cancer Crusaders and Club, who, what, and how as part of your health management. Reminder, after the pep talk, please take the online learning curve evaluation test exercise for mastery of learning, as well as to get a perfect score and get the link I have placed in the chat box. Another reminder, please take the online learning curve evaluation test exercise and then get a certificate for you to be entitled to a free voucher. Type in your feedback in the chat box. Then let's now have a group picture taking before we start the QA and interaction. Please show your faces now. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the floor is now open for questions, reactions, comments. Okay. Anything that you want to say and share your experience in the past if you have joined the Cancer Crusaders. So any questions? All of you have joined the Cancer Crusaders Club before, except for Charlita Sumilay, nag-join ka na last year, di ba? Charlita,
Di pa ako nakapag-join.
last year sa Zoom, hindi pa?
Aw, opo pala, naka-join ako sa Zoom
Okay.
po.
So join us
Yes
again
po.
this December 7.
Opo.
Sali ka para makita mo yung mga interactions sa mga... Sabi mo kay Del,
Opo.
Okay, Tess, mag-register siya, sumali siya. Na?
Opo, opo. Sabihin ko
Okay.
na po.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, any comment? Lordy?
Doc, okay.
Lordy? Yeah?
Yes po, Doc.
Mahina ang sound system mo?
Okay.
Sa- Nag-register ka na, Lordy?
Mayroon na po ako, Doc, ngayon ano. Nag-registered na po yata. Okay. But, tingnan ko po ulit.
Okay, sige. Sige, ulitin mo. Ngayon, naririnig ko na. Ito na.
Nakapag-sign na po ako, Doc, pero try ko po ulit. Baka meron
Sige.
kayong na po.
Oo. Oh, sige.
Meron po kayo.
So, register
Thank
ka
you
lang
po.
para may... masali ka ba sa ayuda?
Opo, Doc. Nag-ano na ako doon. Naka-ano na po ako doon. Nakapag-register.
Okay. Okay. So, anything... So, may sali ka, no?
Opo, Doc. Ay, Doc, kailan po pala yung deadline ng submission?
Nang ano?
Yung, halimbawa, you want to share po your journey.
Pwede pa ngayon. Hapon ka lang.
Ay, sige po.
Sali ka? Kung
Tatry ko
sasali
po.
ka, hintayin kita. Basta
Try ko po,
promise.
Doc.
Ha?
Apo. Pwede po wag na yung pakita yung mukha.
Yeah, pwede mo sino ba marunong mag-video sa iyo, i-cover mo lang yung face mo o kaya pwede ka magsalita sa background without showing your face, pwede rin.
Ah, sige po.
Okay?
Apo, Doc.
So,
Doc, ano pala
kailan mo,
yung ayuda po na yan?
ha?
Ano po yung ayudang sinabi niyo po kanina?
Yung mga ayuda, yung mga under chemotherapy, yung may mga
Okay po.
hormonal therapy. So,
Ay, okay po.
magre-register lang sila, tapos may raffle, no? Okay.
Ah, okay po.
Yung mga, but they have to be physically present during the Zoom, no? During the meeting, no?
Ah,
Ira-raffle natin no? So, yung mananalo, may 1,000 pesos per winner, no? Okay.
okay po.
So, kung nagkikimo ka o kaya nag-hormonal therapy, so yung mga thyroid naman, kung meron siyang levothyroxine, naka-maintenance, pwedeng sumali. No? Okay.
Okay po. Thank you
Okay.
po.
So magjo-join ka, hintayin kita kasi
Opo, Doc.
naayos ko na. Oh,
Doc, yung pinaka-deadline mo kailan po? Kasi hindi ko naman kaagad magagawa for today. Ano po
December
ba?
7, 20, to 26, kaya?
Ay, sige po. Ano ba ang date
Ha?
ng 21 na yata po ngayon? No? Sige po.
Sali ka rin sa TikTok, may TikTok pa.
Ah,
May TikTok pa,
opo,
marami ba?
TikTok. Marami po kasing kakilala ko. Eh, ayoko
Ha?
sa TikTok. Makikita po ako ng mga ano ko eh. Dito na lang po siguro.
Ba't ka nahihiya?
Eh, nakikita po ako ng ano ng
Ano, kung may
mga
makita,
dati kong office mate.
ayaw mo?
Kasi budok ano hindi ka, hindi ba jobless po ako? Pag nakita po nila ako doon, hindi po ako ma-hire.
Oh, lalo kang
Bawal.
hire, maawa sa iyo.
Hindi po eh. Kasama po yun sa condition eh.
Sige, I leave it up to you to decide. No?
Sige po,
Okay.
Doc. Thank you
Okay.
po.
Basahin mo na lang maraming mga awards that you can join. No?
Okay po, Doc.
Okay. So si Seni, nagsubmit na si Seni. Ready na si Seni.
Yes po,
No?
Doc. Thank you po.
Okay. So, sama mo yung mga kaibigan mo, yung mga ano mo ulit, ha?
Yes, Doc.
Naka-Santa Claus.
Enjoy naman po eh.
Ha?
Enjoy naman pong manood kasi
Oo.
nagkakasira kami.
Okay. That's good.
Thank you po, Doc.
Oo. Jeng, kumusta? Maganda ba yung Cancer Crusaders? Nanonood ka, Jeng?
Yes po, Dok. Tsaka nakailang beses na rin po ako nakasali sa, ano na, sa pag po, yung pong party natin ng, ano, so, hindi pa ako
Ah,
nakakaranas ng, ano, hindi niyo pa ulit ibinabalik yung, ano, yung get together talaga. Diyan
ah,
sa mga doctors.
okay. Sige. Anything else? So, pakisabi ng mga asawa kaibigan ninyo to join, na? Okay, pakipublicize na lang kasi 2 weeks na lang eh. Hinahanda ko na yung mga 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 technical aspect na. Okay. Okay. So, kung wala nang ano, may tanong pa ba? May tanong? So, kung wala nang tanong, we'll call it a day. Okay, so ihanda ko na yung ano, I have to try to finish the proceedings na. No? Okay. So, okay na? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you po, Doc. Have a nice
Oh,
weekend
thank you.
po.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye, Doc.
Bye-bye.
So, ayan, hindi nga, hindi ko